The traditional real estate process typically takes anywhere between 30 to 90 days. This is mainly because most home buyers need financing from banks in order to purchase a home. Banks require an extensive amount of due diligence and paperwork. Some will even require inspections and repairs to the home as a condition of the loan. The bank will also require an appraisal that can take a significant amount of time to complete. Then there's the worry of whether or not the appraisal will come in at a value. If it doesn't, then guess what? The seller will most likely request for you to reduce your price. Additionally, the bank requires massive amounts of paperwork from the buyer for the underwriting process. This can take weeks. Most buyers will request a home inspection and repairs. This takes more time and costs you more upfront money while creating an additional hassle. When you sell to Central Valley House Buyer, you will bypass all of these requirements. We pay cash and do our own internal property valuation and inspection. We can do all of this and complete the transaction and have money in your hand within 7 days.